Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Crypto.com metal credit card. These have been becoming pretty popular lately, and I wanted to try one of them out for myself. So I actually just got this in the mail. It comes in a very basic envelope, the same size as this. But I just wanted to give you guys a look of what you may be expecting when you order one of these cards from crypto.com or you use the crypto.com app. So it comes in this really nice discreet packaging with their lion head symbol on both sides. And let's take a look here together. Okay. That looks like that is all that is in there. Here we have a little bit of information. It is my pleasure to present you with your Crypto.com Visa card. So I'll let you guys read over that. Very cool. I will also be leaving my Crypto.com referral link in the description if anybody wants to use that in order to start an account. I would really appreciate that. It's a really good application that has a lot of trading options. They have a lot of very unique crypto coins that aren't available on a lot of other platforms. So yeah, let me just take a look at this real quick. So now that I've got this portion of it out of the package, I just want to demonstrate it to show you guys what to expect. It comes with this really interesting octagon shaped insert. And if you guys kind of remember, like when we were growing up, the picture pop-up books, it kind of reminds me of that, because you go ahead and you pull down on this little tab here and it reveals the card of your choice. So very interesting packaging we've got here. But yeah, so let me give you guys a closer look of the ruby red card option from crypto.com. So let's take a look at it. Wow, it's really beautiful. It's got this deep ruby red iridescent finish to it. It's got a really thick, it's made of a really thick metal. Okay, it's got a substantial heft to it. This is definitely going to, turn some heads when you utilize it. It definitely looks different than most cards out there that I've seen. I like the clean look, that it doesn't have, a million logos on it and all these different pictures. It's just very clean. It has the crypto.com lion head here, and then just debit Visa. This is where they actually print your name. And it has, I've seen quite a few of the the chips that they have on these cards, but this has to be the coolest looking one I've seen. I mean, look at the detail on that thing. It's got a really interesting design on that chip. Very unique. Okay. And they have some really good perks. So I'm pretty sure with this ruby red one, you get a free Spotify account. You also get cash back in crypto on your purchases. And depending on the color of the card that you go with, the tier that you go with, you get different options and different perks, so to speak. So here on the back we have this eagle here, and it has the Wi-Fi, or I think the NFC symbol, so you can actually use this card and just like tap it on a lot of these machines that accept cards. But yeah, so in order to get one of these cards, you actually have to hold some of the CRO native token, which is called the CRO token, or the CRO coin, I believe, which stands for crypto.com. And like I said, they have their own. And in order to get this one, you need to hold a minimum of $400 worth of CRO, and actually have to have it staked for about 3 months in order to get one of these cards. And the higher tier ones need more, like you need to hold more of that token in order to be eligible for one of these. So I just thought I would try this first, see how this card works out for me, give it a test run. And if I really like it, then I might graduate up to the next level and pick up maybe one of the purple cards that they offer, or maybe, even something else. But I really like it. It's got quite a bit of heft to it. Definitely would be, a lot more durable than a regular card, and it definitely stands out, So if you're, out there at a dinner party or something and you decide to pick up the bill, this is definitely going to be a head turner. People are going to ask questions and say, wow, that's a really interesting looking card. Where does that come from? And it might, give you an opportunity to talk about crypto with somebody that might not know much about it at all. And so it's a great conversation starter, I would say, as well. But yeah, I'm very impressed with the packaging that it came in. I'm very impressed with how quickly it came. So far, I've been impressed with Crypto.com's customer service. So, like I said, I will be leaving my Crypto.com referral code in the description of the video if anybody wants to utilize that in order to start an account. I really do like them. I threw these in here in the video as well, just as a fun prop. These are some physical representations of Bitcoin. So this is kind of like a, what if Bitcoin was actually a real coin? What would it look like? We have all this circuitry back here and all this, and then we have this here, kind of like representing the blockchain. Really interesting. And that's the gold. And then a lot of people say that Litecoin is like the silver to Bitcoin's gold. So this is the Litecoin variant. These are also just a cool conversation starter, and they're just very cool. You've got the mining symbol back here. Very interesting, very well made. But yeah, guys, please tell me what you think about this. If you appreciated the review, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe if you guys aren't already subscribed to the channel. But you know, I'm pretty impressed with this, and I will let you guys know in the future how it works out for me, how the kind of the cash back works, if I, you know, if it's actually worth it. But I'm so far I'm pretty impressed. So like I said, thank you guys very much for checking out the video, and I will catch up with you guys later, alright? God bless.